Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another hair tutorial, and the thing that is trending right now is the headband wigs, and I want to see what all the fuss is about the headband wigs. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's tutorial. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it. So I got my headband wig from Unice. Very popular wig company. So I'm just gonna open it up. We got some goodies inside. Looks like let's see, some lashes. Oh my, a whole bunch of goodies. We got nail wrap, that's cute, a wig cap, and I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Okay, so this is like a satin wrap to lay down your edges, I'm assuming. So yeah, wrap it around, lay your edges down. So that's nice, some nice little extras. So for the wig, so they did give me a headband. That's kind of cute, floral. And this is the hair. So I got body wave in a 20-inch, and it comes with a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and the headband itself. I am going to slick my edges back, and let's put this on. So I could do it like this, but I want more of my hair out. So I'm gonna move it back just a little bit more. Yeah, like that.
This wig is definitely big head friendly. I have a smaller head, so it's a little too big for me, but I think if I just tie the headband in a knot instead of using the Velcro, I think I can get a snugger fit.
That is the quickest I've ever installed a brand new wig. What y'all think? I'm loving it. All right, so we're just gonna add this headband. So I could do this look where it's like that. Tuck this in a little more. Or you can take it down. super cute.
So next, I'm just going to show you guys a couple of other hairstyle options that you can achieve with your headband wig. I'm not going to actually use any styling tools today. Of course, if you want a smooth, polished look, feel free to use a comb or brush or even a curling iron, wand curlers, flat irons to achieve, whatever look you're trying to go for. But like with the bun, I'm just doing like a quick little messy bun option for you guys to see how that might look. And then also too, with this particular little half up, half down, and wrapping the hair around it, of course, to lock in that wrap around, you'll want to use some hair hold of some sort, like got to be spray or bedhead hair hold. So, but like I said, I'm not going to use any styling products today. I'm just going to use my hands and a couple of hair ties, and that's it. But you can use whatever you need to achieve whatever look you're trying to achieve. I just want to show you guys what other options are possible with the headband wig.
Now, one thing you can do if you are like me and you don't want to see this part, you can actually fold over your headband just slightly to cover it up. And you can hide that delineation of the, I think what's bulging out is the comb. So this makes it look just a little bit more polished. And then if you want, you can put your headband back on. And there you have it. Alright y'all, so let's talk about this wig. So it is Unice's headband wig, body wave, 20 inches. I think I got 150 density. Yeah, I think I got 150 density, and I ordered it off of AliExpress. I'll put the link in the description box of this video. And I'll also include the price because I don't recall offhand. Actually, I'll like put the text somewhere on the screen with the price. It was very affordable. I love the hair. It's super soft. As you can see, no tangling, no shedding or any of that. I can already tell, like, as long as you maintain and do the proper maintenance on the hair, it'll last for a long time. Yeah, I love it. It's super easy. As I said before, this is the quickest install I've ever done for a brand new wig straight out the box. I love that no customization is required with the headband wig. You literally can just put it on right out of the box. What else? Oh, as you guys know, I'm naturally curly and I just washed my hair, so I didn't straighten my hair or blow it out or none of that for this unit. All I did was just slick my hair back, put some baby's hairs, tied it down for a little bit until it dried, and put a wig cap on. That's it. Okay, so love this. Great protective style if you don't know what to do with your hair, or your hair you just having a bad hair day. This is a great option. If you want to wear, like straight or body wave, or a hair texture that is not like yours, or a length that's longer than yours or shorter than yours, then this is also a great alternative, and it protects your hair, because my hair is literally in a bun right now, chilling. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this video. Drop me a comment down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next awesome video. Thanks for watching.